Yeah, these two coyotes, took them a while to get there. They did get there. We were not far from the rancher's house. And I was going to shoot the one on the left. Chad was going to shoot the one on the right. It was a perfect scenario until my scope died. Just as I was about to pull the trigger, my scope went black. The DVR is still hearing the audio, but the DVR is black. I told Chad to kill him because I know he was waiting on me to pull the trigger. And he did, and you can hear his bullet hit, but there's no video. He forgot to turn his DVR on.
Okay.
Two stands later, we had this one cut across. It was a long ways off. We were guessing 300. He wasn't coming any closer. Training in the background. It was a beautiful sight, but I had to zoom up, so it's kind of blurry. But he stopped. This one came across the highway, winded us, started out. I barely got him stopped, and he was about 160 yards. It was a great 5 stands, and I want to thank y'all for watching our video. Hopefully there'll be some more before the first season's over.